much more than just a logo being placed on a product. When we brand your product, we're sharing your story, your mission, and your message.
We partner with our clients to create innovative campaigns that boost your image and keep your brand top of mind.
We know you don't spend your days obsessing about promo. That's our job.
We love getting immersed in your brand and your company culture.
We'll strategize with you to position your message in front of your target audience.
Buyers on the go love our easy online ordering system.
Need it fast? Promo Direct has hundreds of different items ready to ship within 24 hours. Check out Promo Direct Express today.
We do have a company logo that's available. Can you tell me how the art process works?
Yeah, so we'll make sure that your artwork's print ready. So once you give us the logo, we'll design it, fit it to the template for you, send the proof back for approval. Once you give us the okay on that, then we'll actually get everything into production.
Oh wow, that's awesome. Well, I actually don't have a logo, but I do have an idea kind of what I like. Can you help me with that?
Yeah, so if you need creative help, your dedicated account rep will work with you and our artist to get your artwork just right. So if you have a particular layout in mind, particular colors, we'll go ahead and take care of that for you as well.
Awesome, that's very impressive.
Yeah, we want to make sure it's right before we ship your product out.
Great, great.
That is impressive. When can we get started?
Right away.
We screen print and embroider t-shirts and corporate apparel right here at our production facility. Control the quality and production on all your favorite apparel pieces.
Did you know that the average 100 t-shirts get over 100 wears, then resulting in 3,000 impressions over its lifetime?
Our creative approach goes far beyond the basics. Just tell us what you need. We brand it all, from apparel to bags, drinkware, cool tech items, and of course, your favorite stationery. What's your brand story?
For all things promo,
call Promo Direct!